Did you know that intermittent fasting is one of the most powerful plans for weight loss? Today, we are going to talk about what you need to know before starting intermittent fasting and how to do it the right way. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so that you won't miss our keto diet and weight loss content. Well, what is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. Common intermittent fasting methods involve daily 16-hour fasts or fasting for 24 hours, twice per week. Fasting has been a practice throughout human evolution. Ancient hunter-gatherers didn't have supermarkets, refrigerators or food available year-round. Sometimes they couldn't find anything to eat. As a result, humans evolved to be able to function without food for extended periods of time. In fact, fasting from time to time is more natural than always eating 3 to 4 meals per day. So how does intermittent fasting affect your body? When you fast, several things happen in your body on the cellular and molecular level. For example, your body adjusts hormone levels to make stored body fat more accessible. Your cells also initiate important repair processes and change the expression of genes. Here are some changes that occur in your body when you fast. 1. Human growth hormone, HGH. The levels of growth hormone skyrocket, increasing as much as 5-fold. This has benefits for fat loss and muscle gain. 2. Insulin. Insulin sensitivity improves and levels of insulin drop dramatically. Lower insulin levels make stored body fat more accessible. 3. Cellular repair. When fasted, your cells initiate cellular repair processes. This includes autophagy, where cells digest and remove old and dysfunctional proteins that build up inside cells. 4. Gene expression. There are changes in the function of genes related to longevity and protection against disease. These changes in hormone levels, cell function and gene expression are responsible for the health benefits of intermittent fasting. So, what are the methods of intermittent fasting? There are several different ways of doing intermittent fasting, all of which involve splitting the day or week into eating and fasting periods. These are the most popular methods. 1. The 16/8 method. This method involves skipping breakfast and restricting your daily eating period to 8 hours, such as 1 to 9 p.m. Then you fast for 16 hours in between. 2. Eat Stop Eat. This involves fasting for 24 hours, once or twice a week. For example, by not eating from dinner one day until dinner the next day. 3. The 5-to-2 diet. With this methods, you consume only 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days of the week, but eat normally the other 5 days. By reducing your calorie intake, all of these methods should cause weight loss as long as you don't compensate by eating much more during the eating periods. Many people find the 16/8 method to be the simplest, most sustainable and easiest to stick to. It's also the most popular. Well, these were the most well-known methods of doing intermittent fasting. However, we have one bonus secret method that nobody is telling you about. We call it keto fasting. This method is combining intermittent fasting with keto diet. That's right, we are going to combine one of the most effective diet plan with intermittent fasting. We recommend using 16/8 method of fasting for this method. Basically, you are going to fast for 16 hours, and you are going to consume low-carb, high-fat food during the 8 hours of eating. The reason why this method is so powerful is that the fat-burning stage, which is called the ketosis, can be reached much faster with keto and intermittent fasting combined. The synergy between these two are so powerful that we have witnessed a lot of clients dropping 10 pounds within a week doing this method. Currently, we have a custom keto diet program that will make keto diet plans for you based on your food preferences. Click the link below in the description below to join our program today and make yourself a fat burning machine. Start implementing the methods we have given you today, and we can guarantee you that you will see some significant results right away. Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to subscribe for more keto diet and weight loss content.